For those of you abroad, US, Canada, UK, name it, all countries aside Nigeria, I just want to let you know I've got good news for you. You can use bitter leaves, and this video is going to make it possible for you to use bitter leaves. This plant is very beneficial that you guys cannot afford to miss this goodness. After this video, I'm going to be posting some feedbacks that I got just in 2 weeks of sharing this amazing herbal remedy. Can you see my hair? My protective style, the growth, guys, is insane. You can't afford to miss this herbal goodness. God had already made this available for us because we are made with sand, and everything from the earth is great for us. It is great for our hair, skin, and overall well-being of our body. Sit right back and watch me teach you how you can use bitter leaves wherever you are around the world. If you're still confused about this list we are talking about, you can go on Google, type bitter leaves, and it will pop up. Go under the image tab, you will see how these leaves looks like, so you can understand what we are talking about. To show you that you can use bitter leaves anywhere around the world, let's just assume that I'm to send my younger sister some bitter leaves to use in her hair. Let's just say my sister is in Canada. What am I going to do? I'm going to pluck these leaves fresh and then use my dehydrator to dry it, because I can't send it fresh. If I send it fresh, it is going to spoil. Yes, so what I'm going to do is to dry it first. Please do not buy or use the ones that had already been washed. You know how I washed it in my previous video? I had to squeeze it, wring it, and all that to get the juice. So those ones are used to make soup, but these ones, you have to retain the chlorophyll. You have to make sure that the chlorophyll is retained in the leaves, so that when you steep it in water or when you use it in your hair, whatever you want to use it for, you'll be able to get all the benefits. So what I'm going to do is to layer this in my dehydrator. This is my dehydration machine, or dehydrator basically. So I had already washed this thoroughly with salt and then allowed it to dry. Then what I'm doing right now is to layer it in my dehydrator, just so we can remove what is dehydration, to remove remover of water. So we are trying to remove the water in this leaves, thereby retaining the ingredients, thereby retaining the benefits. Okay, if that makes sense to you. So we are only going to remove the water from these leaves and then leave the chlorophyll and the benefits in the leaves. That's just basically what I'm doing, to remove the water in the leaves. So once you leave it in the dehydrator for some minutes, you will come back to meet dry bitter leaves. Yes, dried bitter leaves. Be careful when purchasing these bitter leaves, because some of them are meant for soup, because when they've already washed it, by squeezing out the juice, the bitter taste, the chaff is used for soup. So if you buy those ones, don't come telling me, Dima, these bitter leaves did not work for me. So dehydrate it. Make sure you get the dehydrated ones, just the way that I'm demonstrating in this video. Don't come running to me, Dima, it did not work for me. If you are not able to get the fresh ones to use fresh, please go for the dehydrated ones. Don't go for the washed ones, which Nigerians use to make soup. Those ones have got nothing in them. The chlorophyll have been washed out, the benefits have been washed out, because we usually get rid of the bitter taste by washing it, so we can use it to make soup. Because if you use it to make soup like this without washing it off the bitter taste, the soup will be a mess. So we kind of wash off the bitter taste, and then while the bitter taste is, they are still there. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So a little bit of the bitter taste will be there, then you now use it to make soup. So after dehydrating the bitter leaves. The next thing we are going to do is to pour about 250 ml worth of water in our pot, bring to a boil. We are trying to make our herbal hair spray right now with the bitter leaves. So transfer the bitter leaves in the pot of boiling water. Remember, I'm using 250 ml worth of water to about 10 leaves of bitter leaves, 8 to 10 leaves of bitter leaves. So we are going to boil it for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, just so we can extract all the benefits. So now, after boiling, you allow it to cool for a bit, proceed to strain. Now, after straining, next thing to do is to transfer it into your spray bottle. Believe you me, what you have in this spray bottle is the same as what you will get when you use the fresh leaves. That's exactly what I'm trying to insinuate in this video. Anybody can use bitter leaves. Distance is not a barrier. Walk with me on this journey while I show you how to use these bitter leaves for everything to cater for your hair, both for oil, spray, and all that good stuff. Guys, look at my edges. Look at my protective style. The growth is massive. You guys know that I've been using this since I got this protective style. The scientific name for bitter leaves is Vennonia amygdalina, belonging to the Escherichia sunflower daisy family. It is a tropical perennial shrub native to sub-Saharan Africa. Across Nigeria and the rest of the continent, the plant is known by several local names depending on the ethnic group. For Igbos, they call it Onugbu. Yorubas in Nigeria call it Ewuro. Hausas in Nigeria call it Shuwaka. Efik call it Editor. Edo call it Eriwo. And Tiv call it Ituna. I don't know. Please let me know the correct pronunciation in the comment section. Bitter leaves offer excellent natural hair care benefits. Their rich profile of antioxidants, vitamins A, C, E, and proteins makes them a powerhouse for improving scalp health, fighting dandruff, and promoting hair growth. The abundance of vitamin A, C, and E helps fight oxidative stress and improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, which encourages length retention and stronger strands. Bitter leaves are highly antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. Bitter leaves herbal hair spray helps soothe an itchy scalp and clears up bacterial or fungal infections that lead to dandruff. They reduce hair loss by free radicals on the scalp. The leaves prevent cellular damage that commonly trigger premature hair shedding. That's all I can say for the benefits for now. You can go on the web to surf more benefits. So just use this to hydrate your hair. You can apply your leave-in conditioner to your hair, apply from scalp to your hair. This is mind-blowing. Guys, who would have thought that bitter leaves could do wonders? That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.